I'm here at CES 2020 with a thermoelectric beverage cooler. Yes, a thermoelectric beverage cooler. This is something made by Matrix Industries, a company that also makes smartwatches and is looking at air conditioning tech. They're making a home device that will cool a can of soda in 2 minutes or a bottle of wine in 5 minutes. This is what it's going to look like when it comes out. This is the working prototype. I'm just going to load this in and put my can of lukewarm soda in there, screw it on, and start it. So here we go, 20.8 degrees Celsius. So as I was saying, this uses a water bath and then it cools the beverage. And the idea is that it's almost like a microwave for cooling, so that eventually you could take something, cool it down, and enjoy it and not have to have a standard refrigerator. Maybe making it more environmentally friendly. Also, you could use this for stuff that's not just wine or sodas. There are cups where you could cool coffee and make your own iced coffees. You can make your own juice cooling things. You can do cocktails. You kind of do anything. And the controls on it also adjust the amount that things cool. So Juno intends to have recipes for cooling. I could see this being used in vending machines. I could see this being used in cars maybe at some point. And at $2.99, it's not a crazy thing for somebody with, I don't know, a wine cave that they want to set this up and use. Right now it's at 9.2 degrees Celsius since I've been talking, and it's spinning, but the fun thing is that it's not supposed to cause the can to explode, despite the fact that it's spinning, which you think it would do. And we're going to put that to the test with the working prototype. This is going to be available pretty soon, and you can pre-order it now. And this is an actual useful use for thermoelectrics. The Matrix smartwatch lasts forever off of body heat and solar. Juno is the next big project from Matrix Industries. We'll have to see what else they come up with next. And I think we're down to 6.1 degrees, 6.0, 5.9, 31 seconds left. What else do you want to know? My brother-in-law has a lot of wine in his house. I feel like he would use this. I'm curious about some sort of special artisanal cocktails that you could put into this, that you could cool down. 2 minutes is not too long. I feel like I would wait for something to be cooled. And at 5 minutes, hey, put your favorite thing on ice. We're at 5, 4, 3, 2. It's at 3.3 degrees Celsius now. I am going to power it off. I'm gonna open it up. This is quite cold. I'm here in Vegas enjoying a nice cold beverage. Thermoelectrics.